supposed to get some tires of those for my Camaro, but they're like, nah, we're gonna just match you with the same ones that you already have on. I'm all blue right now.
For real. This guy's chugging the Kawama. Is that how you call it?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna just be like, hello, I'll go with. You got everything for?
Yeah.
Got your bag and all that?
Well, you got extra shoes that I could use?
Yeah, look,
Which
check
ones?
it out, check it out. Get some. Well, you could get the Reeboks or the Vans, but you can't get those. The black one. That's that good shit. That's that good stuff right there. Sorry.
I feel like I'm in my shoes a pillow.
Nah,
right now.
the regular ones have no padding. That's that good stuff right here.
It looks like I'm on shrooms when I'm wearing these shoes. You look like a... How do you call it?
This guy's gonna roast me right now. You hear this guy?
Nah, just get let us start.
Nah, bro, tell him.
Nah.
Tell him what do I look like, bro?
Nah, cause then you're gonna start on me.
He's gonna grill me.
I'm not.
Nah, take your shot. Take your shot.
I can't. I ain't gonna start right now. It's like, what, 100 and something degrees out here in LA?
Dude, it's hot. Alright, so, part 2. You know, I posted the first one, but we didn't get to go to the spot we were supposed to go, so, you know, gotta post that part 2, so. We're gonna do it in this video, right, Chris?
For real?
Yeah, we're gonna do it in this video.
Part 2.
And because we came earlier, you know, so it's early right now. But yeah.
Fucking wild rattlesnake out of nowhere, dog, in the dark.
I don't.
You gotta be careful with that.
Yeah, I think this time we're gonna leave way faster and not let it get dark on us, cause yeah, that really did happen, bro. Like, a rattlesnake pulled up on me. Well, he didn't really pull up on me. He was already there. He was just a big chilling right there, and I didn't see it. And yeah, shit could have been bad, bro.
There's gonna be people over here this time, like.
But that would have been like a good like homie test, like, you know, the homie would have to suck the venom out of my leg, you know, type shit, you know.
I told you your brother would have had to do that.
All right, but my bro's not here.
He said he
My
would've
bro
done
didn't come
it.
today,
I
but
already
it's just
told
me
you
and
I would
Chris.
do that shit too, dog. I got the beer over here, the alcohol to clean that shit.
Yeah, I didn't bring a backpack. Yeah, you think I can put my? All right.
Yeah, go for it. Damn, you can still
Trying to
hear
drop
the
my
water.
phone
That's
out here.
crazy.
You just gotta stay hydrated.
Bro, but they be filming for Monster, bro. Crazy. I hate Monster. No offense, like.
Sometimes, I mean,
Red
they're
Bull,
alright.
Like Red Bull, I'm not like that.
Yeah,
shit.
I'm a Red Bull guy. Sheesh, hell yeah, I like Red Bulls.
Shout out to Red Bull.
Yeah, Red Bulls are good. That flavor that we had at
Dude, for real.
what's it called? Chevy.
Yeah.
They were passing out like free drinks and stuff.
What was it? Go Skate Day.
It was Go Skate Day, and they were passing out like all these like drinks, and like Red Bull was one of them, and they're giving out this flavor. What's it called? The Cura something with a C, but it's like a light green.
Light green.
Yeah, it's like a light green. Fire, bro. That's just
Dude,
good.
they hook.
Yeah, boots. The boots came in handy. Someone was shooting and shit.
Bro, someday at market.
Guess. You're gonna ride on nature, bro. You're that fool. You're gonna ride on rocks and stuff. Yeah. It's alright though. Yeah. We just got all the clear food. This guy got the food. Nah. I don't drink, bro. I don't.
Real nigga. bet it's easier.
Bro, you look low out right now.
Dude, he
That
hooked
was
me
low
up when
down.
he told me, hey, that blue's there. He's like, you should get it. I saw like,
He's
dang,
low
you
out
right.
right now.
Dang, Britt's right now.
Sweating, bro. Oh, for real, for real. Oh. This is checkpoint right here. Let's go. I'm gonna try so hard, but I'm gonna try not to cuss no more. Trying to do something positive, you know? We are gonna make it this time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. That's right, that's right.
Right.
Further than when we already put it started.
I don't hear the water no more.
Now I hear it. Going around it. I know where I'm at. I know where exactly where I'm at. We're not there yet. Gotta keep going around. We're close though. We're hella close.
It's a good hike.
Oh yeah.
I can still smell my deodorant.
What? You say you can smell your deodorant?
Yeah.
Nah, add more cologne.
Nah, don't do that. What's up with this guy? This is the type of guy that will put Axe in the locker room.
Hell no.
Let me find out. You were the type to spray that Axe, you know? Everybody, you know what that.
I spray that good stuff. It's called cannabis for men.
For real? Dude, need some light. There we go. There's a light. There's no light.
I feel like I'm in Red Dead Redemption right now.
Red Dead Redemption?
Yeah.
That game's hard. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Enjoying nature. Enjoying this hike so far.
Oh, why they gotta hit up on it?
That's what I'm saying. Leva shit.
That is live out here right there.
Don't be tagging on nature. That's leva.
Good hike.
Yeah. It's a good hike. Yeah. You see that? See what that says. Yeah. For sure, for sure. Tachi approves that message.
Mayans, Mexicans are Mayans, or Aztecs. Do you?
Yeah. Yeah, bro. This is nice to have. This is for like bunch of people there, but made it, bro. How you feel? You gonna get in right now or no?
I don't know.
Bro, I freaking left the I left the towel. I had a towel. I forgot the towel, bro. I left that shit. It's like damn.
At least I want to dip my feet in.
Yeah. Yeah, no, most she looks beautiful, bro. I want to like film because there's like people and stuff. I try to film so much, but yeah, we're gonna enjoy the water park right now. So.
She's big.
Confidence, bro.
My dad was able to talk to like everybody. Like when it comes down to family, he would always say like toast and like shit like that. Me though, it's different, dog.
Confidence is important, bro. Yo, this guy got a mad burn line.
Still on white, dog. Miklo.
I did not get burnt there. That's crazy though, cause I got burnt all over my back, but not. Yeah, bro, that's wild.
Everybody told me
Beautiful. Beautiful.
I'm having a good time, bro.
Forgot my towel.
No, I'm just playing. You can't prepare.
I mean, I was gripping on the rocks good, bro.
You doing it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Dude, I was on that rock right there, like literally like right there. And the camera looks different. Right there. Oh, Tashi's for real. Telling you, bro. Told you. He cooked.
I literally just wet myself though, so now I gotta chill, dog, cause I gotta go back in my rig. It wasn't as cold as like when we went camping.
Yeah.
That water was way
I
cold.
told you.
This water's not cold at all. What about you, dog? Come on, hey, look, this guy, tell him to get inside, man. Hey, you gotta get inside, Chris.
Bro, I'm burnt.
Nah, no excuses, dog.
Yeah. I'll dip my feet in the water, but that's about it.
You hear this guy? He's on some.
Hey, bro, I just came out of work. You know that. You at least went home.
Yeah, the water's fresh. Alright, bro, I'm gonna draw off and then we're gonna head out. So I'll catch you on the beach. Alright, that was a success. Let's go.
People coming in, man.
Climb up this again. I forgot about that. This is the spot, bro. Oh! A freaking rattlesnake right there, bro. Crazy.
Not bad.
Had a spider on me.
Shut the fuck up.
I just blew it right now when you were going. I blew it off my shoulder. Sorry, bro. I know how that makes you feel. Alright, that was a fun hike. Made it to the spot. Super dope. You know, the vibe was chilling.
You better jump over that shit.
What was that you were saying?
I said I didn't think you had it in you, fool.
But yeah, that's it for the video. Besides to the end, I appreciate it. Me and Chris about to go get some grub, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.